Okay, I know. Some of you said, do not put engine guards on that bike. You're going to ruin the look. Yeah, well, I guess I'm going to ruin the look. I'm sorry. It's not going to affect the functionality of the bike. It's not going to affect the performance. It's not going to probably look as awesome as it does with them on, but it's time for me to put them on. So these right here are from my other bike. I did not want to buy them again, so I sold my bike without them on. And now it's time to put them on the Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak because it's the exact same part number and they will fit. So one of the things I did when I took this off is I took all of these bolts and I soaked them in like a penetrating oil and hung them in a bag like that. And now it's time to take them out, dry them off, and clean them up to do the install. So the only part that I'm going to have problems with, and it's not really a big problem, is that when I took these off, I didn't realize until I set them aside that these two are different lengths, and I don't remember which one was left and which one was right, but I'm going to show you where these go. All right, so right there where the hinge part is for this pan part, the underguard, that is where the bolt, those bolts go, right? Whoops, let's see if it focuses. That's where those shorter or longer bolts go. That's what I got to figure out, but that's going to come out. All right, so one of the things you'll notice is that with this 4mm hex head that you're going to use to take out this bolt, which is where it goes, you're going to see that this is significantly narrower than this. All right, so you're going to go, well, how the hell is this one going to fit in? Well, because there's an insert that you have to remove. So let's go get that insert out. So what you're going to do is you're going to move this pan down a little bit, and you're going to put your hex head, it's not going to focus, down in there. It's going to be a 6mm to back this out, okay? I know it's kind of dark in there, but you just take that insert out with a 6mm PEX and just pull this out and repeat that on the other side. Sorry, I can't keep it in focus. And just like that, I am at a dead stop because this insert that came out is this thread. What's supposed to go in there is this thread, so apparently this is different, even though I verified it's the same part number. So now I have to go and find from Ducati another insert that is a male like this, but has the female adapter to this thread right here. This is a fine coarse thread. This is fine. This is a coarse thread. And so I'm done. So those of you that didn't want me to put the engine guards on, you have a reprieve for a little bit, not for long, until I can figure this out and get these on order. Unfortunately, Ducati's website for almost 2 weeks now has been down as far as ordering parts. So hopefully tomorrow or Thursday, from what I'm told, Ducati will be up and running with their parts. And hopefully I can find the correct insert to put back in so I can put the engine guards on the bike that some of you don't want me to do. All right, well, now I got to put this back together. I got to get this pan back up in place. I got to put these inserts back in because apparently I can't finish the job. So there you go. We didn't get anywhere, but we learned something. That's the important part. I learned something and you learned something. All right, let's take it. Let's do this again another time. This is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you. And have a good day. Bye-bye.